email follow-up. Dati kasi, akala ko, sales will come from the first visit. But I was wrong. Hindi lahat na nakakita ng offer mo ay magko-convert agad, lalo na if sila po ay mga cold audience, lalo na if hindi mo pa sila na-nurture and hindi ka pa nakapag-build ng relationship sa kanila. So when I corrected this mistake, ngayon guys, halos lahat ng sales ko ay nanggagaling sa emails. So kung gagawa ulit ako ng email sequence, I'll set up 3 to 7 follow-up emails. Ito ay para sa mga bagong nag-subscribes. So, ito po yung mga tao na nag-opt-in dun sa aking landing page kasi gusto nila makuha yung aking lead magnet, for example, yung ebook. So, pagka-subscribe nila doon, ay magbibigay ako sa kanila ng mga nurturing email sequence and then i-convert ko sila as a customers by offering the low-ticket funnel. So, now, if you want to learn more about how to create or how to build this system from your lead gen funnel to your low-ticket funnel, guys. So, meron po akong ginawa na Freedom Pinoy Challenge, yung 7 days challenge, where I will teach you on how to set up all of this step by step. If you want me, na magturo sa iyo about that, so you can check the description of this video, andun po yung link ng ating 7 days challenge, and then you can join right now. Okay, so back to our video. So, dito sa part na ito, guys, about sa email marketing and automation. So, sa email 1, ay ito po yung pinaka-ano natin na welcome email. So, ito po yung ma-receive nila kaagad the moment na mag-opt-in sila doon sa ating lead gen na funnel. So, andun na po yung download link or instruction on how they can get their lead magnet. And then sa email 2 is that you can add a nurturing email. You can share a quick tip. And then for the email 3, pwede ka na mag-soft pitch about sa low-ticket funnel mo or sa low-ticket offer mo. And then email number 4 is the story and benefits. Email number 5 and 6 ay pwede kang maglagay dito ng testimonials or feedback. So, mga social proof about the offer that you're offering. And then for the email 7 is ito na yung hard selling talaga na limited offer. Dito ka na maglagay talaga ng strong call to action sa mga emails mo. Through this way, you can convert your leads into paying customers. And that way kasi sa ginagawa natin ngayon, kahit na hindi sila bumili agad, may chance pa rin kasi na bibili sila later.